If you're a nature lover, listen up. Sudden animal silence might mean more than you think. Picture this, you're out in nature, enjoying the symphony of birds and bugs, when suddenly, silence. Chills, right? But it's not just eerie, it's a signal. Animals can sense things we can't. When they go quiet, it might mean a predator is lurking. Or it could be Mother Nature's way of saying, brace yourself, farm. Studies show that sudden silence can precede natural disasters like earthquakes. Birds, insects, and other wildlife seem to pick up on subtle environmental changes long before we do. So next time nature hits the mute button, stay alert. It might just be a lifesaver. Like and subscribe for more mind-bending insights.